Every day, our markets business processes over 3 billion data points, running over 1,000 customer analytics across thousands of different product combinations. Everything from multi-year structured bonds to spot foreign exchange priced in milliseconds. And every product and customer portfolio is continually changing in line with global markets. In fact, it's this state of constant flux that's been one of our key analytical challenges. AI is helping us solve this puzzle in real time and at scale. Our approach to AI has been iterative and considered. Ethics and customer security, safety and privacy are non-negotiable in all of our innovation work. And though we've been expanding our capability for a while, our ambition in AI really accelerated in 2021 when we released ANZ Signals. Signals delivers personalised, actionable market intelligence to our bankers, whether that's a notification of an upcoming deal maturity or a potential restructuring opportunity. Signals turned us from being reactive with data to proactive. But it was still just a one-way conversation. So early in 2023, we started exploring whether we could augment Signals with chat capabilities. But pretty quickly worked out that given the diversity and complexity of underlying data, some sort of agent-based solution was going to be required. Now, after a collaboration with AWS's excellent prototyping team in 2023, and a trial with some of our commercial bankers last year, we're getting ready to go live with AMI, which is short for ANZ Markets Insights Engine. What is AMI? Well, at its core, it's a multi-agent chatbot that seamlessly integrates with Signals. It will allow our bankers to ask pretty much anything about markets, whether it's about research, news, policies, or of course, customer analytics. We like to think of AMI as a personalised markets analyst that our bankers can call on anytime, anywhere. AWS has been a cornerstone partner with us throughout this innovation journey. What started with simple storage, expanded to data science on SageMaker, and now includes AI on Bedrock, data governance and lake formation, and scaling our institutional data and analytics platform on SageMaker Unified Studio. This partnership has been transformative for us in helping us build toward our data, machine learning, and AI ambitions. Now, since this is Builders Day, I just want to share a couple of observations from our build that are helping shape our strategy and execution. The first of these is on user experience. Bounded within solid guardrails, we've learned that balancing time against accuracy and quality of output is critical. If one of our bankers is talking to a customer, they need information in seconds, not tens of seconds or minutes. But it can't be at the expense of quality or accuracy. What we've learned is that by utilising different tools and frameworks for different use cases, we're able to optimise and much better manage those trade-offs. By way of example, our toolkit includes text to SQL for simpler data retrieval and joins, things like recent customer activity, function calling for more complex analytics, such as portfolio restructuring, baseline RAG for news and research retrieval, and graph RAG for more complex policy and knowledge navigation. Another area is personalisation. Now, it doesn't matter what industry you operate in. We know that customers expect a highly personalised experience. At ANZ, we're actively working to build this, but we're conscious of the fact that it needs to be done in a really considered and safe way. Neural networks are great at capturing complex interactions, but traditionally it's been at the expense of transparency, explainability, and accessibility. Large language models have transformed accessibility with their intuitive chat interfaces, and we're closely monitoring some of the remarkable research that's going on into interpretability and alignment. But what we have found so far is that generative AI can genuinely complement more traditional machine learning methods. It generates contextualized content that dynamically responds to evolving customer preferences and needs. So, where do we go next? Well, from a practical perspective, agentic AI helps solve a problem that's going to be familiar to everyone here today. How do you demonstrate real business value with a technology in a way that's scalable, but doesn't require you to commit to a substantial, usually multi-year, upfront investment? Agents support a modular approach, where each agent can tackle a particular opportunity, and if it's successful, it just gets added to the stack. Their degree of autonomy can be carefully calibrated to the guardrails required, and benchmarks can be set and tested at both the agent and the application level. Of course, this modular approach becomes exponentially more powerful when agents are portable. And the really exciting part at present is not just that AI agents are becoming a lot smarter, it's through standardised protocols like MCP and other emerging agent-to-agent frameworks, they're becoming a lot more portable and interoperable. Solutions like AMI demonstrate that subject matter experts, say an interest rate specialist, can now build an agent that captures their deep domain knowledge, sort of like cloning themselves and their expertise. Those agents can then be deployed across the entire organisation, irrespective of which applications different teams use. This federated model scales expertise and not just the underlying technology. Strategically, we know that AI is about more than just efficiency. Agentic AI enables a business to deliver personalised expertise to every interaction, whether that's a banker better understanding a customer's complex needs amid global market volatility, or just simply having wider access to specialist knowledge instantly. At ANZ, we're building for this future with deliberate, safe steps, creating an exceptional customer experience, and through that helping customers focus on what they do best, which is grow their businesses. Thank you very much for your time today.